Speak Up English, the key to success.
Excuse me, do you mind if I sit here?
Not at all. Please, go ahead.
Your music sounds lovely. Do you play professionally?
Thank you. Not yet, but that's the dream. I've always wanted to be a professional guitarist, performing on big stages and sharing my passion with the world.
That's wonderful. Pursuing your passion is so important. I can relate. I dream of becoming a successful writer someday. I love crafting stories and exploring different cultures through my writing.
That sounds amazing. What type of stories do you like to write?
I'm drawn to poetry and short stories. I find beauty in the simplicity of words and how they can evoke emotions. I've also been documenting my travel experiences, hoping to turn them into a book someday.
Wow, that's quite inspiring. Traveling and experiencing new cultures can definitely spark creativity. Have you traveled a lot?
Not as much as I'd like to, but I've been to a few places. How about you? Have you had any exciting musical journeys?
I've performed at some local gigs, but nothing too grand yet. I believe every performance, big or small, is a stepping stone towards achieving my dream.
Absolutely. Consistency and perseverance are key. I truly hope you get to share your music with the world.
Thank you, Emily. I wish the same for your writing career. May we both find success in.
You know, they say life is about the journey, not just the destination. We should cherish every step we take toward our dreams.
You're right. And who knows, maybe our paths will cross again someday, both living our dreams.
You know, John, pursuing our dreams can be challenging. And sometimes we might face setbacks or doubts along the way.
You're absolutely right, Emily. There have been moments when I questioned whether I was good enough or if I should pursue a more stable career.
I can relate to that. Writing is my passion, but it's not always easy to stay confident, especially when facing rejection or criticism.
So true. But you know what keeps me going? The feeling I get when I play the guitar, the way it takes me to a different place and connects me to my inner self.
I understand completely. Writing has a similar effect on me. It allows me to express my thoughts and feelings in ways I can't with spoken words.
It's like our dreams are the fuel that keeps us going, right?
Exactly. Our dreams are what make us who we are. They give us purpose and something to strive for.
You know, it's interesting how our dreams evolve over time. When I was younger, I dreamed of fame and recognition.
Dreams
Now,
do change,
it's more about
and
the
that's
joy
okay.
of playing and sharing my music
As we
with
grow
others.
and experience life, our dreams adapt to reflect our values and what truly matters to us.
And it's not just about achieving the dream itself, but the journey we embark on to get there. The experiences we gain and the lessons we learn shape us into better versions of ourselves.
Absolutely. Each step, every challenge, they all contribute to our growth and resilience.
You know, I used to be afraid of failure, but now I see it as an opportunity to learn and improve.
Failure is not the end, it's a stepping stone to success. It shows us what we need to work on and helps us refine our craft.
It's inspiring how you view it that way. It's like we're on this journey together, supporting each other through the highs and lows.
Yes, I believe that's the beauty of sharing our dreams with others. We find encouragement, understanding, and even inspiration from those who can relate.
Speaking of inspiration, who or what inspires your writing?
Nature is a big inspiration for me. and I draw from my personal experiences. But I also find inspiration in the works of other writers, especially those who beautifully capture emotions and human connections.
I can see how that would be impactful. Music, for me, is my biggest muse. It has the power to convey emotions that words alone can't express.
That's fascinating. I can imagine how your music must speak to people's hearts.
I hope so. It's like a language everyone can understand, regardless of where they come from.
You're right. It's amazing how art, whether it's music, writing, or any form, can bridge cultural and language barriers.
It brings people together, and that's what I want to achieve with my music, to connect with others on a deeper level.
And you will, John. Your passion and sincerity will shine through your music, touching the lives of many.
Thank you, Emily. It means a lot to hear that from someone who understands the power of creative expression.
Likewise, John. Sharing our dreams and aspirations with each other makes the journey less lonely and more fulfilling.
So, let's promise each other that no matter how tough it gets, we'll keep pushing forward towards our dreams.
Promise, John. We'll cheer each other on and remind each other why we started this journey in the first place.
Deal. Together, we'll make our dreams a reality.
John, we've talked a lot about our dreams and the joys they bring. But what about the challenges we might encounter along the way?
You're right, Emily. Pursuing our dreams won't always be smooth sailing. There will be obstacles, self-doubt, and perhaps even moments when we feel like giving up.
How do you plan to overcome those challenges and keep moving forward?
One thing I've learned is the importance of surrounding myself with supportive and like-minded people. Having a strong support system can make a world of difference.
That's true. Sharing our dreams with others who understand and believe in us can be incredibly motivating.
Exactly. It's also essential to remain adaptable and open to learning. If I face setbacks, I'll treat them as opportunities to grow and improve.
I agree. Resilience is key when I encounter obstacles in my writing journey. I'll remind myself why I started in the first place, to share stories and touch lives.
And that's the power of a strong sense of purpose. It keeps us anchored and focused, even when the going gets tough.
Have you ever experienced a moment when you doubted your dreams?
Oh, definitely. There have been times when I wondered if I was being unrealistic or if I had what it takes to make it in the music industry.
What helped you push through those doubts?
My love for music and the support of my family and friends. They believed in me even when I doubted myself. Their encouragement reminded me why I fell in love with playing the guitar in the first place.
It's incredible how the belief and encouragement of others can lift us up when we need it most.
Absolutely. And I'm sure you have your own support network too, right?
I do. My family and close friends have been my pillars of strength. They remind me that my writing has value and that my voice deserves to be heard.
And you have a unique voice, Emily. Your writing has the potential to touch people's hearts and leave a lasting impact.
Thank you, John. It's reassuring to hear that from someone who shares the same passion for creativity.
We're on this journey together, remember. We'll face challenges, but knowing we're not alone makes it less daunting.
You're right. As long as we continue to support each other and stay true to ourselves, we'll be all right.
I couldn't agree more. We'll celebrate each other's successes and be there to lift each other up when we stumble.
That's a beautiful sentiment, John.
It's the truth. We can't predict the future, but we can choose to walk this path with courage and determination.
And embrace all the moments, both big and small, that shape our journey.
Exactly. Every step forward, every challenge conquered, will bring us closer to our dreams.
It's exciting to think about the possibilities that lie ahead.
It is. And I have a feeling that our paths crossed for a reason, Emily.
You think so?
Absolutely. Sometimes, chance encounters lead to the most profound connections and opportunities.
I couldn't agree more. Who knows what lies ahead for us?
We'll face it together, whatever it may be. Our dreams will guide us, and our passion will fuel us.
I can't wait to see where this journey takes us.
Me neither. Here's to following our dreams, Emily, and creating a life filled with purpose and fulfillment.